back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is for the company Paysimple. Of course, as always, the links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video, and you may have to pop open the little more box to see the whole description to get to them. Paysimple has a 3.2 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. Now, they are owned by a parent company called everCommerce, and everCommerce's Glassdoor rating is 3.6 out of 5 stars. But Paysimple is hiring a customer care professional. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. And like I said, the parent company is everCommerce, but they have different lines of businesses and products, so they're looking for a customer service professional to work for their specific Paysimple product. Now, Paysimple is a provider of a software as a solution service for small businesses. They help enable businesses to sell products and services, accept payments, do automated billing and notifications, and all of that. They are the software company that backs some of that service that companies use. So they are looking for someone just to passionately support Paysimple's commitment to creating that outstanding experience for each one of their customers. You'll be taking calls, emails, and chat requests from existing customers, answering their questions, and working to resolve any issues they have and any processing or account changes that they have. If they need to know how to use something, you'll do ad hoc training for them, showing them how to use something. So you'll be mastering Paysimple's solution in order to provide those customers with guidance. Now, best part about this position, they are not requiring any experience at all. It says technical software experience is a plus, but it is not required. What they do require is someone who can be friendly, professional, and committed to long-term relationships with those customers, building that loyalty. Someone who can be organized and detail-oriented, someone who has strong writing and phone skills, be a critical thinker and willingness to go above and beyond to problem solve, be a team player, and a multitasker. That is it. Now, best part about this, most positions that don't require any experience start out around $15 an hour. This position is paying very well for not requiring any experience. They're paying anywhere from $19 an hour all the way up to $21 an hour. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health benefits, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments because I do read those. If you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, give this video a thumbs up like button because that does give me direct feedback. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.